In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in DramaBox on PC or laptop. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in dramaboxdb.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of DramaBox. You'll be able to find various options over here. Logging into your account is very simple. Simply click on the login option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the login methods. You'll be able to find the options like sign in with Facebook, sign in with Google, sign in with Apple. Simply click on the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to click on this option, sign in with Google. Now once you do that, if you're not logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. But if you're already logged into your Google account, you'll automatically be logged into your DramaBox account. So that is how you log in DramaBox account on PC or laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.